Hey everybody, Matt Green here, and in this weekly recap we're going to be talking about insurance policies, training new team members, how our new construction's going, and a few other cool things. So yeah, once as you grow to a certain size, you want to make sure that you have your insurance policies. You want to consolidate them as you grow bigger and bigger. So, when you first start out, you might have, a 4-unit building here, a 2-unit here, or another 8 units in some other location. So once you acquire and accumulate a portfolio and you have a lot of units, you can consolidate your insurance policy into one policy, which is going to make it more efficient. Costs are going to be better. So, when you first start out, you're going to have lots of different policies, but as you get bigger, it's worth looking into consolidating things, and that's something that we're looking into doing, is consolidating into a few different policies instead of having over 20 different policies for several different properties. So that's something that we're working on over the past week, and our new construction is going really well on our new construction of the multifamily buildings that we're putting up. We've got a lot of buildings framed and the roofs are on, so we're actually going in and doing interior plumbing and getting all the in-wall rough work done. So it's going to be plumbing, HVAC, fire sprinkler, fire alarm, and electrical. Those are the trades that have to get into the building next and put things together. There was some issues with some contractors drilling holes in some of the trusses, which is a problem, so we have to do some repairs on that. But overall, it's going really good. Our goal is to get the buildings done within 4 months so we can start pre-leasing everything and bringing everything together. New construction is a great investment. So if you're in a really good location, the biggest thing is projecting where your rents are going to be. So on all of our projects, when we're doing new construction, we're achieving on our pro forma rents of around $1.60 or more per square foot. So that's what makes it feasible to develop the property and spend all the money to develop it, is because the rents are high enough to justify it. So if you're going to get into new construction of apartments, you have to just make sure that the rents justify the cost, and that's one of the biggest factors. Then also we were working on some training, so we had a lot of that going on this week, and we brought on some new property managers to really head our entire property management division. So excited about that. We did over 5 hours of training. We broke it up into 5 different days, and we've got a ton of training that we put together. We actually shot video of the training for future people that we bring on, so I think that'll be helpful, just so you can refer back to the videos and just pick up things here and there, because there's a lot of information, and being a property manager, there's hundreds and hundreds of things that you have to know. So even after the training of the videos, we're also going over lots of different questions that come up, and there's just so much to it. It's different. That's what's really cool about the position, is there's always something different happening every single day. So it keeps it interesting. It's not just one thing, and it's a lot of work. It's a tough thing to do, because you're working with lots of residents. You're like the face of everything, because you're always showing units and talking to residents. So it takes a lot. So it's a cool position. It's a lot of work, and so it'll be exciting to have these 2 new people on our team, and it's going to work out really, really well. So yeah, we got construction happening. We've got people that we're training, and we've been working on our insurance policies. And back to the team a bit. Once you get to a certain size, it's nice to build a team. It's great working with different people, and it's fun excelling all as a team. It's funner than just having yourself, acquiring properties and putting deals together. It's funner to work. It's more fun working with a team to put it all together. So whenever you're able to build up a team, it's a fun process. So other news that we're working on over the previous week or 2 is we're working on putting numbers together to potentially sell some projects, and these are some smaller projects that we have in the portfolio, but we're doing a lot of bigger projects. So we're trying to assess if it makes financial sense to part ways with some of the projects that are smaller, and then focusing that capital and all the efforts of our team into newer construction. So that's something that we're working on and figuring out the numbers on. So, as you get bigger and you grow your portfolio, you just have to decide what to focus your time on the most. And sometimes it might be worth selling off smaller projects to focus on the larger ones. So, as you get bigger and you grow your portfolio, you can sort of figure it out as you go. But it's once you get into bigger deals, it just it's cooler, it's funner, everything's more consolidated, everything's all in one place versus the smaller stuff. It's good getting started and it helps build a really good foundation, and it gives you, that strength to kind of move into the next level. So it's definitely necessary to get started, and but once you can get to that level, things really start to take off and really multiply. So pretty busy week, a lot of projects going on, a lot of things happening. And investing into real estate, your mind is always so busy. There's like dozens of tasks happening every single day. There's probably hundreds of decisions or more being made every single day, and things are moving quick. A lot of progress is happening, so it's exciting. We're moving along and getting through things really well. So owning different real estate projects and building up success in real estate takes a lot of effort, hard work, and persistence. So you just got to keep working at it.